Today in this video, I will discuss the exercise of the grammar book, exclamatory sentences. The first sentence is, he said, what a fine day. So, indirect speech will be, he exclaimed that the day was very fine. Here is not written, but it is hidden. So, while changing into indirect speech, each will be changed into was. The day was, what will be changed into very. The day was very fine. Second, they cried, alas, he is dead. Cried, the meaning of cried and exclaimed is same. So there is no need to change cried into exclaimed. So they cried with sorrow that. Alas means with sorrow. They cried with sorrow that he was dead. Second, the jackal said, how clever I am. The jackal exclaimed that I will is first person, it will be changed into jackal. So jackal is an animal, so I will be changed into it. It was very clever. Somewhere I may be changed into he also, because now sometimes in the place of jackal you can use pronoun he. So he was very clever. Both are correct. The boys cried out, bravo, a good hit. The boys cried out, the cried out will be changed into, the boys applauded saying that it was a good hit. Here subject is not given, so you will add subject according to sense. Once again, the boys applauded saying that it was a good hit. You said to me, hooray, I have won a scholarship. He exclaimed with joy me that I, first person, it will be changed according to subject of reporting verb, and subject of reporting verb is you. So you have will be changed into past. So you had won a scholarship. Once again, you exclaimed with joy to me that you had won a scholarship. 6.1. The boy exclaimed with sorrow that I is first person, it will be changed according to boy, then he had been very foolish. The boy exclaimed with sorrow that he had been very foolish. She said, ah, I have lost my precious diamond. So she exclaimed with sorrow. Ah is here showing surprise or sorrow both. So she exclaimed with surprise that she had lost her precious diamond. The Hamlet said, what a piece of work is man. The Hamlet exclaimed with surprise that the man was a great piece of work. Sometimes what according to sense change into great also. He said to him, for shame, you coward. He exclaimed with shame to him that he was coward. Now this is exercise. Now second exercise that belongs to the optative sentence. I will discuss that one. My friend said to me, may you win a scholarship. Here reported speech start with may. So my friend wished me that, you is second person, it will be changed according to me. So I might win a scholarship. Second one, he said, may you succeed, my son. My son is here, after comma it is coming, so it is part of the reporting verb. So he wished his son. My son will come in the reporting verb. He wished his son that he might succeed. He said to me, may you succeed in your enterprise. Enterprise means business. So he wished me that I might succeed in, your is second person, it will be changed according to me, in my enterprise. He exclaimed, yeah, he wished me that I might succeed in my enterprise. Now the rest remaining sentences are left, and I will send you the photo of these exercise, two exercises. You will solve them.